In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your custom domain from Hostinger to Systeme.io. This process is crucial for providing your website with a personalized domain name, adding professionalism and ease of access for your audience. Let's dive right in and ensure that everything runs smoothly. First, you need to log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you'll find various configurations. Here, look for the Custom Domains option and click on it. On the Custom Domains page, you'll notice a button labeled Add a Domain. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up where you can enter your custom domain name, something along the lines of www.yourdomain.com. Once you've typed it in, don't forget to hit Save. It's important to keep in mind that the look of these steps might vary slightly depending on when you watch this video, but rest assured, the procedure stays the same. Now that you've added your domain to Systeme.io, you'll see some important values that need to be copied. Typically, you'll see one Sname entry for your www subdomain, and possibly another one aimed at domain verification. Pause here for a moment and make sure you've copied these values accurately. We will now move on to adding these key name records in Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account to get started. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. You'll find a menu on the left, and from there, click on Domains. Find the specific domain you want to connect and either click Manage or go directly to DNS/nameservers next to it. Upon reaching the DNS configurations, scroll down until you see DNS Zone or DNS Records. Here you'll want to add new record. From the record type dropdown, select Sname. For the name/host entry, simply type in www, and for the points to target field, paste the value you copied from Systeme.io, something like proxy.ssl.webflow.com. You can leave the TTL field as it is by default and then click Add Record. If you've been given a second Sname for domain verification, begin the process again by clicking Add New Record. Choose Kname from the type dropdown. This time for name host, paste the verification host you copied, such as abcdf1234 myfactomesite.com. In the points to target field, paste the corresponding verification target from Systeme.io, and again, click on Add Record. Finally, it's time to verify your domain in Systeme.io. Return to your account and the custom domains page there. You'll see a Verify button next to your domain name. Clicking this button will confirm the connection. This step ensures that everything is properly linked and operational. And there you go. You've successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Systeme.io, paving the way for a more personalized and professional web presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful.